What is the clause force measure define in a contract? Generally, in a business contract, there is a reference of phrase force measure. What is this force measure is all about? In a contract, parties of the contract are bound by terms and conditions. They are to deliver, they are to discharge their duties as per the terms and conditions of the contract. When there is a violation, when there is a delay, when there is a denial of performance, then the party thus affected can sue the other party who has caused violation, who has caused unnecessary delay, or who has caused to go against the terms and conditions for damages. But when an act that is not within the control of the parties of the contract takes place, that is to say, if there is a fire accident which is not within the control of the parties of the contract, and because of which he is unable to perform his part of the duty, or if there is a natural calamity that has taken place, it can be an earthquake, it can be a tsunami, it can be any natural calamity which is again not within the control of anybody, which is not in the control of the parties of the contract. So in this reference, if a party of the contract is unable to perform his part of the duty, he can take shelter under the clause force measure. Now, whether this pandemic or any pandemic which is also not within the control of the parties, COVID-19 is not within the control of the parties. Because of this, if a party of the contract is unable to perform his portion of the duty, can he take shelter under the clause force measure? So according to me, COVID-19 or any pandemic that has caused such a devastating effects, because of this, if a party of a contract is unable to perform, he can certainly take shelter under the clause force measure. However, force measure is not specifically explained under the Indian Contract Act. However, Section 32 of the Indian Contract Act deals something similar to this. When a party fails to perform because of some event which is expected to happen, then he can take shelter under Section 32 of the Indian Contract Act. Whereas in force measure, when an act unexpected, not within the control of the party of the contract takes place, he is unable to perform. Under Section 32 of Indian Contract Act, when an expected act has not happened, he is unable to perform the contract. So therefore, coming back to the phrase force measure, the parties of the contract, when they are unable to perform because of an act which is not in the control, like COVID-19, can actually take shelter under the clause force measure. However, they cannot permanently be relieved, they cannot be permanently be exempted from performing their part of the contractual obligations. This is only a temporary measure. They will be bound to perform their obligation, their duty, their contractual obligations after the phase of force measure. That is, in this present case, after the Passover of COVID-19, they should be in a position to perform their contractual obligations, without which still they will be liable